Yeah, sorry, I was just asking you what your plans are for video. If you're going to be using video, now you've had success with email on the course. What's your plans for video marketing?
Do you know what, Via? Can I just say before I go into that, if it wasn't for you and this course, I would not have made a video for my Instagram. And since you encouraged us on the course to do this video and the importance of video and even showing your face and showing who's behind the brand, I think the first video I made on Instagram, within the first 24 hours, I made about £300 worth of sales.
Wow. And that was brand storytelling, wasn't it, if I remember rightly?
That was just me showing one of my products and how to use it.
Wow. And then you went on to the other one, didn't you?
That was even before the live. So the live as well, that was amazing. I got so much support, so many more inquiries about my products, and I made quite a lot of sales from the live as well. So the importance of video it's so important, basically. And I just want to thank you for that, because if you hadn't encouraged, I thought, oh my gosh, I can't, I'm so shy, I don't really want to, go on camera and show my face, and which is ridiculous, because I'm passionate about what I do and my products. So, but sometimes you need that encouragement and that oomph, and that's what you gave. So thank you.
You know what? And it's interesting because so many people say to me, "Oh, I don't want to go on camera. I hate camera. My face is before camera. I'm not comfortable on camera."
Yeah.
But I can honestly say, even by just what you've done in the last few months, that would not have come across to me that you're not confident on camera. And you know what? Because, you've done so well, and it's because you took that first step, didn't you? You came out your comfort zone.
Yeah.
You did it once, and all right, even 2 or 3 times after that, it might have still been a bit, nerve-wracking. Yeah. But I'm sure now for you to press live, it's much less of an awkward feeling, isn't it?
Yeah. And not only that, once you do it, you're like, what was all the fuss about?
Yeah.
And I encouraged some of the girls on the course that hadn't done video. I was like, girls, just do it. Just go for it. Just go for it. Do you know what I mean? And the results, they show for themselves.